Okay, I'm going to show you how to work my Ed puzzle. So you can see my content videos up here, and I'm going to click the Ancient Greeks for Kids one, and we're just going to play it up until they pause it and it shows me a note that I put in or a question.
Hey kids, I'm sure by now most of you have heard of a civilization known as ancient Greece. The ancient Greeks were people that lived about 3,500 years ago in what is now southeastern Europe. They had a spectacular rise and then their civilization declined, leading to the Roman Empire. Only in their prime for about 700 years, the Greek civilization had a huge influence on a lot of the stuff in our daily lives and in the lives of people around the world. But before we get into that, let's first talk about what we mean by ancient. By comparison, those of us who live in America have a civilization that's been around for only about 1,000 years, and the United States of America itself has only been a country for less than 250 years. So 3,500 years is a long time ago. Although it was at its peak more than 3 millennia ago, the ancient Greek civilization still lives with us today. Some of the architecture that you see around a lot of our famous government buildings came from the Greeks. Those columns you're looking at, those were invented in ancient Greece. The three main types of Greek columns are Doric, Ionic, and Corinthian. Corinthian being the fanciest. How'd you like to have the job of carving the top of a Corinthian column by hand? The theater you're used to seeing in which you sit down and actors come up on stage and perform for you, yep, that came from the Greeks too. They basically invented the play.
Okay, so now we're going to go over to here where I have my notes and you can see it and I embedded it. And so now I'm just going to press play. We're going to hear me talk.
The Greek theater history began with festivals honoring their gods. A god, Dionysus, was honored with a festival called Vines, sitting at Dionysia. In Athens, during this festival, men used to perform songs to welcome Dionysus. Plays were only presented at a city at Dionysia.
Okay, great. So now we're just going to press continue and it's going to keep going with the video.
Play. There's also philosophy, the Olympic Games, lots of great literature, certain types of painting, sculpture, and other art forms. We can thank the Greeks for all of it. A lot of the
So now it asks a question and it's just what is one example again why we can thank Greeks for creating fun things. And I'm going to say the Olympics is one that they created from the video and I just press submit and it goes in and then you press
Some of the words
continue.
that we use in our English language came from the ancient Greeks as well. There are actually more than 150,000.
So that's all I'm going to go over, but you just keep continuing watching the video and up to the teardrops and then you answer the question or click play and to watch the note. Thank you.